In this video we will explain about GSM architecture. Okay, so GSM architecture starts from SIM. So SIM, mobile equipment. So mobile equipment we are calling as our mobile is called as a mobile equipment, and mobile equipment contains a SIM. What is a long form of SIM? Long form of SIM is a subscriber identified module. So this part of the architecture is called as a mobile station. From mobile station, call is forwarded to the BTS. Okay, and from BTS his call is forwarded to BSC. So this section is called as a base station subscriber. Now here, what is the long form of BTS? BTS is a base transceiver station, and BSC, what is the long form of BSC? Base station controller. So this works in both direction. The call is forwarded to the BSC, also the call is received from BSC to the mobile. So this is a base transceiver station. So nearest base transceiver station is selected. Nearest base station base transceiver station is selected. From BTS, the call is forwarded to BSC. So again here there are so many BSCs are available, so nearest will be selected for the call forwarding. So BSC is connected to the MSC. MSC is the most important part of the GSM architecture. So MSC has so many registers available in it. So MSC is used for all the controlling purpose of this architecture. So long form of the MSC is mobile switching and service station. So what is the role of the MSCs in it? So MSC provides registration to the mobile user. So all mobiles are registered to the MSCs. Then it provides authentication. Okay, all information is secured information, and all data will be authenticated. Then it finds the call location. Okay, your current location of your mobile is given by the MSC, and call routing is provided. Okay, these are the main functions of MSC. So what are the other registers which are available with the MSC? We'll see. The MSC has HLR register, VLR register, EIR register, AUC register. So HLR register, HLR is a home location register. As soon as we turn on our mobile, okay, switch on our mobile, your location is identified by the network. Okay, so the call location and the last call timing is saved. Okay, location is saved. So all the information of the particular area mobile are available with the HLR. Okay, and then when the mobile is at the outside network, okay, is identified, then that is a limited information is available with the VLR. VLR is a visitor location register. Okay, this is a home location register and this is a visitor location register. Then EIR. Okay, so what is the role of HLR? HLR, administrative information about the subscriber will be stored in the HLR. Last location will be registered when the mobile is switch on the phone. Switch on the phone. Okay, then the phone network will register the phone location. So that is the role of HLR. And VLR has the same information but the about the visitor's mobile. Okay, and HLR contain the information about its own network mobiles. Now the next register is EIR register. So EIR register contain the information related with the whether the mobile is allowed on the network, you have paid all the charges, okay, and you have the access control, then the mobile is allowed it. Now the mobile is allowed it on the network, then it allows the access. It first it check the mobile is allowed to use the network, then second is allowed the access, then next is a bear the access. It will make the mobile service to continue with the call. And then monitor in case of problem. Okay, if your call is not able to sustain, then what is the problem? That is monitored by EIR register. Then AUC is a very important register, protect the database. Okay, your security should be given to each and every call. Your call should not be available to locally, or any other person should not use your secure data. Okay, so the data security, the SIM card security is given by AUC unit. Okay, so this is a AUC unit. And when we want to divert our call to the other services like inter MSC transfer, then call diversion from one mobile to the landline mobile. Okay, in that case we use another network, PSTN, ISDN networks. Okay, so this is the call diversion is done from MSC to other networks. Okay, so this is regarding about GSM architecture. Thank you.